Okay. Hi there!
Hello!
Welcome back to Travel Glows.
Yes!
So we have left Bilbao behind and we are still doing our European road trip and we are on our way to Coimbra. Coimbra is a university town in Portugal. But before we are heading to Coimbra, we made a stop in Aroca. Aroca is in the northern part of Portugal and just 1 hour drive from Porto. And we decided to do there a walk. Os Passadiços do Paiva.
Very difficult name.
Absolutely stunning, beautiful. It's a trek of only 8 kilometers. And we absolutely loved it, the surroundings, how green it was, the hills, the gorge. So, yes.
We don't need a destination, let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away.
Yeah, so there are like 2 start points, and we started with the point where you first need to climb quite a few steps, but we choose to do it that way because it felt to us natural to do first the hard part, because as if you're on the top, it's just all downhill from that point on. So we decided to do first the hard part. And along the way, it's like 8 kilometers.
Yes.
And we did it very slow, very slow. It took us like half a day, something like that.
Yeah, maybe a bit more, but
Yeah.
yeah.
But we decided to take it slow and really enjoy the surroundings because they were absolutely beautiful. Yeah, you cross there was some nice paths, and you got among you, aside you, some nice water running through the valley.
Yeah.
So it was really lovely to do.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So on the website it's stated that it's a difficult trek. We didn't feel that way. However, if you have weak knees or ankles, or you have difficulties walking, maybe this is not a trek for you, because there are a lot of stairs and you have a part you need to climb like quite a bit or go down quite a bit.
Yep.
So, but except for that, we thought it was quite doable, and the pathways are really good.
Yes.
And it's it's absolutely beautiful, and the surroundings in the north, they are just amazing.
Gorgeous.
Nature. Yes.
Yeah.
So we absolutely loved it. So
Yeah.
it was a good stop in between the 2 cities that we were traveling.
Yeah.
So we really can recommend that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. Grab some glasses and the atlas. We can prove we're smarter than a phone. Let's go where there's no reception. See if we can make it on our own. Breathe deep in your chest. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm. Let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. The water's warm. Let's be reborn. The water's warm. Let's be reborn. over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away.
Yeah.
And then you also have the 516 Aroca Bridge.
Yeah.
That's the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in the world. 560 meters, what's in it in the name.
Yeah.
And that is, well, quite high, didn't you think?
Yeah, it was quite high. So when I looked down, I felt it in my stomach a little bit. But it was also quite a spectacular view to see if you're in the middle of the bridge. We had a little bit of we were a little bit unlucky regarding the weather because it started to pour like crazy. When we were at the bridge. And
windy.
Yeah, as well. But nevertheless, I think it's a nice bridge to cross. A little bit downside for us was that it was just a bridge. First we thought it was a bridge that would be used as to cross from point town A to town B, but it was just when we did go on it, it was just with the guided tour, and we just crossed it, and we just turned around and we crossed it again, with not being used as a real bridge to get somewhere.
No, it's really a touristic bridge, and we were a bit disappointed by that. We also didn't have any clue that it was that way. Yeah. And you also need to make a specific, you need to reserve for a specific time slot, and that's for us it was a bit inconvenient because we needed to wait like almost 1 hour to cross the bridge. So maybe it's good to do it at the beginning when you start the walk, because it's quite at the entrance from where we started anyhow, or if you start at the other way at the end of your trip. So if you don't have all the time in the world, maybe you can skip the bridge, because you can still see how amazing it is and how high it is. So and if you are afraid of heights, then also good to reconsider it.
But if you're in a time squeeze, if it was up to us, you could skip it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good.
So, but don't skip the walk. The walk is beautiful. Just be prepared for different weather conditions, because we had sunny weather and we had rain through the day. And in the summertime it can be quite warm, a little bit too hot. So make sure you're well prepared and bring along some water, because there is not much on the way on it. But it's amazing. And now we're on our way to Coimbra.
Woo!
So
see you in Coimbra.